Forget everything you know about automotive safety. Forget the standard Euro NCAP crash tests, the predictable laboratory environments, and the perfectly orchestrated collision scenarios that legacy brands have used to sell cars for the last 30 years. What you are about to witness today is the absolute destruction of traditional automotive physics. For decades, legacy automakers like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Volvo, and Audi have held the undisputed crown for building the safest, most structurally sound vehicles on the planet. They set the benchmark, wrote the rules, and charged a massive premium for the privilege of driving their engineering. But overnight, the rules of engagement have changed entirely, and the old guard is suddenly looking incredibly vulnerable. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are dissecting a vehicle that isn't just pushing the boundaries of engineering. It is taking the European legacy rulebook, tearing it to shreds, and setting it on fire. This is the Zeekr 8X, and it has just been subjected to a series of extreme, almost apocalyptic testing scenarios that would leave traditional, say, $100,000 Western SUVs completely unrecognizable. We are not talking about simple low-speed braking tests or standard 40-mile-per-hour frontal collisions against a deformable barrier. We are talking about brutal, real-world chaos. We are talking about surviving a 3-meter drop of a fully loaded shipping container directly onto the roof structure. We are talking about advanced active chassis dynamics that can instantly correct a catastrophic high-speed tire blowout amidst torrential rain and violent crosswinds. The Chinese automotive industry is no longer just catching up in terms of interior luxury, infotainment screens, or battery range. They have moved past that phase. They are now actively humiliating Western legacy brands in the very domain they invented: structural integrity and dynamic chassis survival. If you think a standard mechanical anti-roll bar, a traditional crumple zone, or a reinforced A-pillar is enough to keep you and your family safe in 2026, you are living in the past. Grab a seat, eliminate all distractions, and pay close attention, because we are about to dive deep into the mechanical witchcraft and the aggressive metallurgy that makes the Zeekr 8X seemingly uncrashable. Let us begin with the first seemingly impossible scenario: the uphill gradient assault. Imagine a heavy electric vehicle ascending a steep, treacherous, low-grip incline. Now, imagine a barrage of massive, heavy tires being hurled directly down that very same hill, aimed squarely at the ascending vehicle, forcing the driver to make violent, evasive steering inputs. This is not a Hollywood stunt designed for a movie trailer. This is a highly calculated brutal engineering stress test designed to push the vehicle's traction control, instantaneous torque delivery, and lateral stability to their absolute mathematical breaking points. As the Zeekr 8X navigates this onslaught, dodging the rolling tires left and right, we get to witness the sheer brilliance of its active roll stabilization system. We need to understand the physics of why this is so difficult. In a traditional European SUV, an evasive maneuver on a steep gradient shifts the vehicle's massive center of gravity violently to one side. The conventional suspension compresses heavily under the load. The passive mechanical anti-roll bars twist to their limits, and the vehicle desperately struggles to maintain tire contact with the tarmac. The inside wheels lift. Traction is instantly lost, and it becomes a terrifying battle against momentum that, more often than not, ends in a catastrophic rollover. But the Zeekr 8X does not rely on passive, reactive, 19th century mechanical linkages. Instead, it employs a highly advanced, electronically actuated active suspension matrix. When the driver jerks the steering wheel to dodge a massive projectile, the vehicle's central processing unit calculates the exact yaw rate, steering angle, and chassis pitch in fractions of a millisecond, before the heavy body of the vehicle even has a chance to lean into the corner. The active stabilizers apply massive, instantaneous hydraulic or electromagnetic counterpressure to the outer suspension struts. The result is absolutely mind-bending to watch. The vehicle remains almost eerily flat, It actively defies the natural body roll that your brain anticipates. This level of extreme dynamic control means the weight distribution across all 4 tire contact patches remains perfectly optimal. It grants the dual-motor, all-wheel drive system the ability to claw its way up the gradient without a single wheel spinning out of control or losing its grip on the asphalt. Legacy automakers have spent billions of euros over the last 2 decades trying to perfect complex air suspension systems, but this level of proactive, predictive chassis stabilization is operating on an entirely different level of engineering altogether. It is the difference between reacting to a crash and actively rewriting the physics to prevent it. But dodging obstacles at low speeds on a steep incline is child's play compared to the absolute nightmare scenario of high-speed dynamic instability. Picture this precise scenario. You are traveling at motorway speeds, perhaps 70 or 80 miles per hour. The weather is atrocious, with rain lashing down, creating a perilous layer of standing water on the tarmac, and drastically reducing your coefficient of friction. Suddenly, a violent lateral crosswind hits the side of the vehicle, and in that exact, chaotic second, a front right tire catastrophically blows out, instantly disintegrating into pieces. For the vast majority of vehicles on the road today, including top-tier European luxury SUVs, this specific combination of variables is an absolute death sentence. The sudden loss of pressure on one corner drags the heavy chassis violently towards the central barrier. Simultaneously, the crosswind pushes the body, and the wet surface completely overwhelms the remaining 3 tires. Grip. Standard Electronic Stability Programs, or ESP, try to save the car by violently applying the brakes to individual wheels. But braking on a wet surface with a blown tire often induces even more instability. The driver panics, overcorrects the steering wheel, and the vehicle goes into an irrecoverable, high-speed spin. However, the Zeekr 8X treats this catastrophic mechanical failure as nothing more than a complex mathematical equation that needs to be solved in real time. As the tire disintegrates in the testing footage, the vehicle barely flinches. How is this physically achieved? It comes down to an ultra-rapid integration between the vehicle's steer-by-wire system and its individual wheel torque vectoring. The instant the tire pressure drops to 0, the advanced chassis sensors detect the asymmetrical aerodynamic drag and the sudden, violent yaw of the vehicle. In less time than it takes a human eye to blink, the vehicle's brain cuts the torque to the dragging, destroyed wheel and dynamically redistributes maximum electric power to the opposite side to physically counteract the pull. It uses acceleration and torque, rather than just braking, to pull the car straight. Simultaneously, the active steering system, which is completely decoupled from a traditional mechanical steering column, makes thousands of micro-adjustments to the front wheels. It keeps the vehicle tracking in a perfectly straight line, fighting the crosswind and the blowout drag simultaneously, without transferring that violent feedback to the steering wheel in the driver's hands. The driver barely has to wrestle the car. The chassis absorbs the kinetic chaos, stabilizes the vehicle entirely on its own, and allows for a safe, highly controlled deceleration onto the hard shoulder. It is a masterpiece of dynamic engineering that makes standard Western stability control look like a relic from the past. All of this active, software-driven technology is absolutely brilliant for avoiding an accident in the first place. But we have to address the ultimate question. What happens when an impact is completely unavoidable? What happens when the unstoppable force finally meets the Zeekr 8X? To answer this, the Chinese engineers devised a physical test that completely mocks the standard, predictable laboratory crash tests we are so accustomed to in the West. They bypassed the standard barrier impacts entirely. Instead, they hoisted a massive 3-meter-long commercial shipping container high into the air and dropped it directly onto the panoramic roof of the vehicle. When you watch a standard European SUV undergo a mandated roof crush test, the pressure is applied slowly and gradually by a massive hydraulic press. The metal slowly groans, the pillars progressively buckle, and eventually the safety cell gives way. It measures static load, but a dynamic, high-velocity drop of thousands of kilograms in a split second is an entirely different beast. The kinetic energy transfer is instantaneous, violent, and completely devastating. As the massive container slams into the Zeekr 8X, every instinct tells you that the greenhouse will collapse entirely, instantly crushing the interior cabin and anyone inside. Instead, the A, B, and C pillars hold incredibly, unbelievably firm. The glass shatters into a million pieces. The heavy-duty suspension bottoms out violently under the immense, sudden weight, but the passenger survival space remains completely, 100% intact. The doors can even still be opened. This is not a fluke. This is the direct result of an obsessive, almost paranoid approach to metallurgy and torsional rigidity. Chinese automakers like Zeekr have been heavily investing in massive gigacasting technology, replacing dozens of welded parts with single, solid blocks of aluminum. More importantly, they are making extensive use of hot-stamped, ultra-high-strength boron steel alloys. The safety cage of the Zeekr 8X is essentially a modern, mobile fortress. The roof, crossmembers, and the critical B pillars are heavily reinforced with military-grade steel that boasts a yield strength of thousands of megapascals. It outright refuses to yield, bend, or snap under catastrophic vertical loads. Furthermore, this immense structural rigidity is not just about saving the passengers. It is deeply crucial for protecting the vehicle's most volatile and dangerous component, the high-voltage lithium battery pack nestled in the floor. By ensuring the passenger cell does not deform or bend, the engineers simultaneously guarantee that the rigid battery enclosure remains uncompromised during brutal side impacts, roof crushes, and rear-end collisions, entirely preventing a thermal runaway or a catastrophic fire. What we are witnessing right now is not just the launch of another electric SUV. We are witnessing a monumental, irreversible shift in the global automotive hierarchy. For well over a century, the definitive blueprint for building a safe, dynamically capable, and structurally rigid vehicle was dictated entirely by European engineering. Brands from Germany and Sweden charged a massive to unquestioned premium for the promise of a superior chassis and an unbreakable safety cell. Consumers paid it gladly, believing it was the absolute pinnacle of what was possible. But the Zeekr 8X, alongside a massive wave of new, highly advanced architectural marvels emerging from the Chinese domestic market, is violently exposing the complacency of the old guard. These new manufacturers are not just building cars to pass the standard outdated regulatory tests. They are actively inventing new, extreme, real-world scenarios that traditional SUVs would fail miserably at, and then they are conquering them on camera for the entire world to see. From active roll stabilization that actively defies gravity and momentum, to steer-by-wire systems that can survive a catastrophic blowout in a storm, to a structural skeleton that can literally shrug off a falling commercial shipping container. The very definition of automotive safety has just been rewritten. The traditional passive anti-roll bar is dead. The conventional safety cage is obsolete. The legacy automakers are now staring down the barrel of a technological revolution that they are currently unequipped and perhaps too slow to fight. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and truly understand the raw engineering that is rapidly reshaping the automotive world, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on all notifications. The industry is changing faster than ever. Old empires are falling, and we are going to be right here, dissecting every single piece of disruptive technology that rolls out of these factories. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment below on whether you think Western brands can ever catch up to this terrifying level of chassis engineering, and I will see you in the next video.